Hello, my name is Roger Hartl. I'm a neurosurgeon at Weill Cornell Medicine, NewYork-Presbyterian Ox Spine in New York City. I welcome you to our NYC summer course. As you can see in the background, today is a very, very busy day. And I'm so happy and I'm so proud that we were able to put this course together because we're focusing really on microsurgical techniques in the lumbar and cervical spine. There are many things that you have to learn in order to become a successful minimally invasive spine surgeon. In order to help you achieve your goal, we present two courses to you. Every December, we have a course where we introduce new technologies such as augmented reality, navigation, endoscopy, and those are great courses to learn in cadaver and surgical simulation how to use these technologies, mainly to put in screws and cages and implants in the spine, in the cervical, lumbar, and thoracic region. So these are great courses to really learn about upcoming technologies. The other thing that you really have to look into if you want to become a successful, well-rounded minimally invasive spine surgeon is microsurgical decompression. We do that mainly through tubular retractors, and that's much harder to really learn. It's also much harder for surgeons who have an interest in this to find places where they can get exposure and actually practical experience. And that's exactly the reason why we started our August course, where we focus on tubular decompression using surgical simulation. So when you sign up for our August course that goes closely along with the December course, in the August course you will be able to practice under the microscope with surgical simulation, tubular decompression in the cervical and lumbar spine. We will teach you how to do an over-the-top decompression in minimally invasive cervical foraminotomy, also how to fix CSF leaks through tubular retractors. So we're really trying to give you the best of both worlds. In the winter, technology; in the summer, surgical techniques and practical exercise. So please sign up for both courses, and thank you for your interest and support as always.